Red, white, powdery, small.
Okay, I got the phenol red out in some of the beakers.
Check out some of these chemicals.
Careful with it.
Sodium chloride. Looks like that. Say 1 teaspoon of this.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm going to take the phenol red with it, so you guys aren't tempted. Have at it. Sorry, your goggles down over your face, don't project before bed.
And then
I want to
Okay, this red stuff is
red and liquid.
What are you doing? We have to wait until we have all our stuff.
I know, I'm just getting the pick out right now.
Liquid, red.
One pipette of what? Phenol red?
yeah, and 1 pipette of water.
Do we use the same one?
No. Never use the same pipette,
Oh, we
Jane.
need the water.
Ever.
Right, Pat.
Baking soda is white powdered.
Alright. And use me.
Also white. Alright, so we need to get a bag.
Alright, let's move over here and do it.
Whoa, man. Took my last What are you doing?
Ready?
Alright, go.
It's turning orange.
Is it getting hot?
Feels like it's getting a little bit warm. Nothing's really happening though, just getting nasty. It's turning bubbly and like steamy.
It's getting hot?
Not really. It was warm at first, but now it's not really that hot. The bag is filling up with air though. Gas. It wasn't like that.
Yes, I would be very, very mad.
Smells kind of like peppermint.
Like what?
Peppermint.
Okay, that's from my gum.
Maybe. Might have been her gum. Never mind. Scratch that. That's basically all it's gonna do.
Alrighty.
So filled up with air. Changed colors. Got a little bubbly. Looks like foamy water now.
Foamy water.
Yep.